Hello, universe! Hello, world! Hello, Philippines! Kumusta naman ang Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao? So this is again your host, Marlene Krug, and with me are my beautiful co-host, Miss Rina Tolentino and Dr. Conrad Pereras. So, andito naman kami sa bagong talk show ng bayan. Kumusta ka, Bagong Pilipinas? Part 2 po ito dun sa una nating pinag-usapan yung tungkol sa When Silence Hurts, a special episode ng Youth Depression and Suicide Prevention. So pag-usapan naman natin yung regular o situational depression. Wag naman yung serious na suicidal this time. Kasi minsan karamihan sa atin nadidepress. So, ano ba yung pag-usapan natin? Pero before that, let's ask our PhD doctor, Conrad Pereras, ang ating co-host, kasi may libro siyang soon to be launched. So ang title is Wellness?
Wellness Project.
Wellness Project. Building a Well Nation. Okay. So part sa dun sa libro niya, sa outlines, nakita ko yung chapter 4 is about mental wellness.
Yes,
Tapos,
napapanahon yan,
oo, yung chapter 3 niya is about physical and emotional wellness. So, maraming chapters yon. So, pero pag-uusapan natin, since part 2 to ng ating depression, mental health, wellness. Kasi
Napapanahon
uso
yan.
ngayon. Oo,
Oo.
trending ngayon dahil nga kay Iman, di ba? Pero ano ba yung situational depression at saka temporary depression? Yung nadidepress kami, sasabi mo, kumusta ka, Marlene? Ha, konting depressed. O bakit? Nasa iyo na ang lahat. Hindi naman lahat. Wala nga akong boyfriend eh. Joke. Pero totoo yun. So, can you say something about the book? When are you gonna launch it? Or ano yung mga outlines na importanteng malaman nila?
The Wellness Project really started a long time ago when I went from the spa business to the wellness business and eventually to the elements of well-being, which leads to happiness, no? And as I was made aware of what makes people happy, there must be a reason that you can translate this in terms of building a well nation. So the Wellness Project is really about building a well nation. How do we help build a well nation? And the short answer to that is by having a healthy people, no? If your people are healthy, they can be well and eventually they may be happy. So that is the claim to the book. And I went through the journey of wellness and I wanted to define what it is that each and every Filipino can do to help build a well nation.
Oo.
So that's the
Very
Wellness Project.
interesting, ano?
So, since kwan yan, it's like a triangle yan or connected.
Yes.
You must be healthy physically, you must be healthy emotionally, and you must be healthy spiritually. Kasi kung mayroong mataas yung spirituality mo and yung knowledge mo, meron kang emotional intelligence, and automatic yan, mentally you become
Parang ang
healthy.
hirap
Yeah.
naman i-sustain yun.
Yeah.
Paano ba yun, Doc?
When this came about, I was watching what the Department of Health was doing, no, and in one of those conversations, our incumbent Secretary of Health made mention that he wanted to change the name of DOH into DOHW, meaning Department of Health and
Yeah.
Wellness.
Ah,
And
yes.
that is what prodded me to fast track the production of the book so that it can serve as a framework for building the wellness framework for the government. So
And that's why,
that's
just to cut you
good.
there, ang St. Luke's meron na ring wellness sa program at saka department nila.
in fact, most of the tertiary hospitals, the big ones,
Yes.
they started putting
Makati
up
na rin.
wellness centers. No?
Oo, kasi dito sa Philippines, Doc, MK, very poor yung mindset natin pagdating sa psychiatric intervention. Una, baliw ka pag pupunta ka doon, no?
Yeah.
Pangalawa is
Baliw means sira ulo.
mahal. Oo, mahal. And the direction, pagka meron ka ng ganun, is mandaluyong loob.
Oo.
So, these are the 3 stigmas na pwedeng nandun naka-anchor doon sa tinatawag nating mental wellness.
Yeah. That's why nagkaroon ng mga modern applied psychology diplomas or mga subjects. Gaya ng para kung kailangan mo ng awareness, merong mindfulness. Kung kailangan mo ng coaching, may life coaching workshops. Tapos kung gusto mo ng cognitive behavior therapy, inaaral na rin ng mga psychologists o modern applied psychology ng cognitive therapy. Kaya natin binibreak na nila yon or neurolinguist programming kasi yun nga mga tao, pag punta ka sa psychiatrist, baliw. Pero
Oo.
kung punta ka lang sa psychologist, bipolar. O,
Meron pala
Mild.
station
Mild
yun.
form of
oo, mild form lang
mental
yun. Kaya
illness.
hindi ka masyadong ma-judge.
Okay.
Pero I want to tell the people that in America, parang pumupunta ka lang yan sa parlor mo. Alam nyo
Oo.
ba na pag ang isang kunwari executive or isang ordinary person, pag parang feeling niya, ay, I cannot take it anymore. Yung stress na siya sa
Burnout.
emotions niya,
Burnout.
burnout. Ay, that's the word, burnout. They just go sit down. Lie down daw ka, feel burnout. Kaya, pagkatapos na nilang nakausap, magaling na naman sila. Normal na
Yeah.
naman sila.
Ang
You know?
ang importante, yung inumpisahan ko dun sa libro, is to define for our people, ano bang difference ng health sa wellness? Yung
Oo.
health, as the WHO defines it, is the absence of disease.
Mm.
So, if you're physically unwell, health yan. But wellness is different. As you earlier
The
mentioned,
preventive side.
it's a preventive measure as a state of health. Yung alignment of the body with the mind and the
And
spirit.
soul and the
Yes.
spirit.
Body,
Yun na yun.
mind.
Holistic
Yes.
approach na yung
It has to be a
wellness.
holistic. You cannot have a mentally sound mind without a healthy body.
Yes, absolutely.
Di ba?
Oo.
And if you don't have a healthy mind, how can you think even of your spiritual
Yes. Pero yung
existence, no?
Doc, pag sa mental, mafe-fake mo pa yung physical, na parang, parang okay naman siya. Parang wala naman siyang sakit. Wala naman siyang pinagdadaanan.
Mm.
Parang, she seem okay. Especially Eman, di ba? She's like lively, vigor,
Yeah.
the life of the party.
Correct.
She is a giver. She was there alive, and nobody knows exactly going in her head.
And the reason for that is with respect to health, you can measure it. You can measure your blood pressure, your heartbeat.
Yeah.
But how can you measure your feelings?
Abs-
How can you measure your faith? Hindi measurable eh. So it is something that you evolve and
Mhm.
develop through the years. Kaya maganda yung move ng Department of Health Secretary natin to incorporate wellness into his program so that he takes care not only of the sick people but of the well people as well. And there are more well people than sick people.
Yeah,
You should be concerned about the total
and before they get
population.
sick, it should
Yeah.
be, yan nga yung yung wellness program yan.
Yeah.
So,
And
ang common kasi na ating nangyayari pag, even before physical sickness, yung stress, yung
Yes.
burnout,
mm,
yung kulang ka na sa tulog, kulang ka na sa pagkain
mm.
sometimes, and yung relationship problems, yan yung mga causes ng depressions and financial strain. Diyan ako
Yes,
minsan
oo.
nadidepress.
sabi nga nila, you have to increase your earning capacity to address your yearning desires.
And in your book, meron yan, di ba? Sa
Yes.
part yan. Kasi talagang holistic yan, no?
Yes.
How to be well.
Ang main body of the book really is to how to address the different dimensions of wellness. One of them is mental and emotional. But for easy remembrance, the acronym is POSIS. Physical, occupational, social, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual. No? So these are the
Ayun,
different
POSIS.
dimensions of wellness that we should develop in our people so that we can build a well nation. And a well nation is something that everybody should desire.
Yan.
Yes, absolutely. Paano ba natin ma-achieve yun, Dok, kung una sa lahat? Yung in denial natin sa mental health,
The,
nandun.
yeah. on a broad scale, what is happening in the world and what's happening in the region and particularly in the Philippines is brought about by the complexities of governance. And there's so many problems. There are economic problems, political problems, technological problems. The technological divide between rich and poor is getting wider. And all these developments in the world are causing a lot of stress on people, no? On governments, on communities. So all these stresses is the summary of why nations fail, why they are not well.
Kasi
And the way to get out of that predicament is to address the health of the
it
people.
start with the person.
Yes, it starts
Individual
with the
actually,
individual.
and then to the family, and then the community
Company,
na, and then
yes.
as a whole nation.
Yes, correct.
Pero sabi nga, kausap natin si Director Tech natin kanina, si Angelo, sabi niya, alam niyo ma'am, yan depression na yan, sakit yan ng mayayaman. Sabi ko,
Gusto ko yun.
oo, kasi ang depression lang ng mahirap na gaya natin, yung pagkain, pag nakakain na sila, masaya na sila, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo.
But that question was addressed in the book. These issues of mental health or unwellness are not their wellness is not a luxury, nor is it only experienced by the rich. It's experienced by everybody. And as you have noticed, even our household staff are sometimes depressed and they cannot work. They want to go home.
Correct.
Why? They miss their families.
Doc,
But that's
in your
true.
book ba, walk us through as to what to look forward. Kasi ngayon, napapanahon yung book na yan.
Mhm.
Walk us through what to look forward.
Okay. So ang first thing you'll remember is that we should live with our body, mind, and soul aligned.
At a balance. Balance.
Di ba sabi nila when we were younger, a sound mind in a sound body, di ba?
Yeah.
How can you live in an unwell body, in an unsound body?
Correct.
So you've got to have a sound mind and a sound body. And put on top of that, the spiritual dimension, which allows you to recognize that you are here for a higher purpose.
Mm-mm.
So if you put these three together, then there is harmony.
Correct.
Harmony of the body, mind, and
Correct.
soul.
Kaya sabi nila, kung hindi ka healthy, hindi ka magiging spiritual kasi tinatamad ka, hindi ka makapagsilbi kasi
Yes.
spirituality is service.
Yes.
And then you need energy, you know?
Mm-mm.
So, but going back sa mga causes, kasi tinanong natin, ano bang causes ng mga minsan nadidepress tayo? O checkin nyo, kung burnout lang yan, stress
Yes.
lang yan, then
Oh.
kausapin nyo yung boss nyo, yung oras mo,
Pero-
siguro bawas-bawasan nyo. Kung relationship yan, palitan. Pag financial strain yan, ay maglotos. Loto.
ang problema kasi, yung combination of the medical and the non-medical, that convergence is what is really real. And this is the reason why I wanted to address the different dimensions of wellness so that leave the doctors to your physical well-being and address the non-medical, no? For example, yung physical dimension, what are the things you need to do to be physically well? Hindi pwedeng sedentary life like most executives.
Exercise.
So exercise.
Yes.
You
Fresh
eat
air.
fresh air. You eat the right kind of food.
Fresh food and good diet.
Yes.
Huwag mo na mag-Samg.
Good relationship.
Good
Huwag
relationships.
kang magbo-boyfriend na nagbibigay ng stress sa'yo.
Oh my
Patiran
God,
na
I
yan.
can relate to
Baka-
this.
Okay, tinatamaan.
So, yun.
So yan.
Madali lang.
So-
Tapos yung financial, ayan yung mahirap.
Feeling ko financial is the most crucial. Na,
Yan ang
Yeah,
nakaka-depress.
it's the bigger factor, bigger chunk of the factor why people are being drained out. Una, we work so hard for money, and then hindi pa rin kasi si Judith tsaka si Jonah nandyan pa rin waving, tapos ending wala nang natitira.
But
So very
my
depressing naman.
the late senator
Miriam?
from San Beda,
Ah.
I won't mention his name because he already passed away. Sabi niya, you know how to be rich? You just decrease your desires.
Oh.
Decrease your wants.
Yeah.
And you will be rich.
Needs and
And there is
over.
no urge for you to be corrupt.
Correct.
So
Absolutely.
Pero babalik tayo dyan sa financial sense kasi dyan talaga na-stress at nadidepress ang mga tao.
But the
Yes.
second dimension, which is occupational, I promote strongly worksite wellness. If you don't feel good in the workplace where you spend 1/3 of your life, of your day,
Look for another one.
look for another job.
Yeah. True.
But looking for a job is also stressful because you have qualifications, limitations, no? Like you're a doctor, you wanted to be a lawyer. May problema, di ba?
Pero yung mga iba na minsan kasi, you got the job para lang meron kang pera for that moment. Pero pag hindi ka talaga happy dyan, edi tumingin-tingin ka rin sa iba.
Occupational wellness addresses the strategic fit between your competence and the requirements of the job. Pag masyadong malaki yung requirements, competence requirements, dito ka lang, ang laki ng gap. So you're
Yes.
stressed to catch up, no? Halimbawa, sa sales. Umpisa ka, year 1, ang sales mo 100. Year 2, 120. Year 3, 150. A sales quota never goes down. It
Yes.
always goes up.
Pero it's so competitive now
Yeah.
diba? Ang sales.
Oo.
Now,
Kalaban mo ang online.
Yes.
Kalaban mo
Kaya
lahat.
nga, a lot of
Lahat.
trades are dying.
Ang kalaban mo hindi lang sa Philippines. Outside the
Alibaba.
country rin, di ba?
Yes.
So ang pinopromote ko, companies should look after the wellness of their employees.
And how we'll go to that.
Yes.
Pero yung biological factors po sa mga nadidepress minsan, yung feeling mo na wala ka sa mood, ayaw mo na, gusto mo lang matulog at wala kang makipag-usap kahit kanino, yung hormonal changes po, pakicheck yun, yung okay yung hormones nyo. Kasi baka yung thyroid nyo,
Yes.
hyper or hypo, lack of sleep.
Pero in general, ang sinasabi nila, when you're depressed, when you're stressed, when you're anxious, gumawa ka lang ng isa that will make a big difference. Move. You exercise. You look
True.
after your body muna.
Correct.
Because if there is a problem with your metabolism, something will come out. And it's not desirable.
Yeah, it's good for your hormones.
Yes.
Basta nag-move ka, exercise is good
Exercise.
for balancing your hormones.
Yung sinasabi mong happiness cells.
Yung serotonin,
or,
dopamine, nag-i-increase.
nag-i-increase yan.
Tapos yung vitamin deficiency, importante rin. Sabi nila hindi sila naniniwala. Then take it from your food. Pero let's talk, we'll have a brief talk on what food is good for depression.
Yeah. The third dimension is yung social. No?
Yes.
Nakikita mo ngayon, people keep to themselves. Keep to their devices. No? Hindi na sila nakikipag-usap physically sa ibang tao, people around them. They don't call their parents. They don't call their classmates. They only meet when somebody dies in the family. That is not a healthy social life. And worse, they have no friends.
I read a book.
They
Doc.
only have a lot of Facebook friends.
Yes. I read a book, Doc, that nowadays, the realm that we are living now is we are so much into the acknowledgement of the world, recognition of the world, wherein as we post something online, we look after how many likes. We are so much dependent on that
Yes.
one. And the mental health is really having some kind of chaotic understanding na, shucks, bakit kaya hindi ni-like ni ganito? Bakit kaya konti yung like nito? And then you will start again thinking na, what would you post? And then, I remember vloggers, they say, the distinction kung paano magiging mas trending is that magpakita ka ng skin and all. And that is what they are embarking now,
Yeah.
which is a big no-no. We don't want that because at the end of the day, when you are seeking something like validation, acknowledgement, likes of the people around you, all the more that you will lose yourself.
There was a study also conducted on Facebook messages that the people who claim to be happy are actually unhappy.
Oh.
And when they did the scale, and the question was, how happy are you on a scale of 1 to 10? The survey shows that it's 7 to 8. But actually, the real score is probably 5 and below, which is below
Siguro ang
average.
question hindi na yung are you happy? What are your might have beens? Kung konti
Yes,
lang,
yeah.
that means fulfilled ka na. May
Yes.
self-fulfillment na.
Yeah, but the key to the social dimension is that you build solid relationships. You made connections. And that is what keeps you alive. That's what makes you wake up in the morning and check your messages
Yes.
on your phone, no?
But Doc, for that one, let me just raise this a very a cliche maybe that they say peace and happiness should start within you.
Of
Of
course,
course.
of course. It is knowing what you want and that you know that you're getting there, that you're able to accomplish, you're able to
Yeah.
live a life of significance, that you will make a difference in the world. Yan yung mga essentials na nakakalimutan ng iba, no? Especially this young generation. I'm not blaming this young generation. They are our creation, the baby boomers. But nakakaligtaan yan. And I think we need a constant reminder that to be happy, you need to build your social life.
At
Yeah.
saka huwag kang magko-compare. Never compare yourself. Madidepress ka talaga if
Yeah.
you start comparing yourself
Yung
with others.
comparison
Yan
is a
importante yan.
Yeah, and another related dimension is yung intellectual. People are lazy to read. They're lazy to learn. Everything, it has to be instant. It has to be
And
visual.
shortcut lang, yun lang alam nila. They
Yes.
don't know the depth.
Yes.
Yeah, my time in school, they give us a reading list, which they know you cannot finish, but they give it to you just the same to test how you can prioritize which one you read first, because they're the ones that will be asked. Nowadays, where do we go? We go to YouTube, we go on screen for our daily sustenance of improving our intellectual life, no? How many are pursuing advanced education? Very, very few. In fact, because of the requirements of the times, people are asked to upskill, to find new skills. And there are those realistically who cannot go to college or university. So they have to stay where they are, no? So yung intellectual dimension of wellness is very important. You have to keep that mind sharp all the time, no?
Yung emotional intelligence, importante rin.
Which brings me
Nakakalimutan na
to
ng
that
tao.
The
Yung
emotional.
At
self-awareness,
daming
yung
nadadali
self-control.
dyan sa emotional
communication.
na yan.
Di ba? Pero alam mo, so yung stressors na yan, really rest. Take a break. Dapat talaga punta ka sa haven mo. You know, sometimes I put on my Facebook, kasi sometimes I don't answer calls. So I said, I'm in my cave. I'm in my haven.
I'm so disappointed that people don't want to get married. They don't want to have children. They separate from their parents. They're copying the values of the developed world. And what makes us different is the fact that we keep our ties. So that emotional dimension is very much felt here than in the most developed world, because what do developed world families do? They put their parents to homes when they're no longer useful to them. No? Tayo naman, living abroad, we bring our parents to take care of our kids, which is good. Di ba?
Yes.
Yeah, so yung emotional dimension is just as important. In fact, very important in addressing the issues that we are talking about today. The ability to cope with your emotions, train your emotions, to love is very important in that wellness spectrum. No?
Alam mo ba, we are lucky kasi ang dami nating sunshine. Sunshine pala is a good medicine for
Yeah, of course.
for depression.
Yeah.
Kaya yung mga melancholic areas na dark, hindi nagwi-winter ng matagal, maraming suicidal tendency na tao doon.
Rain and sad.
'Di ba? Yung sun natin, importante yun. Buti meron tayo. Kasi could you imagine gloomy pa yung weather na walang sunshine? Have you noticed when there's no sunshine, merong naapektuhan yung kwan mo? Ako naapektuhan ako pag
Yung
umuulan.
gloomy na, wala ka pang pera, wala ka pang love life, tas wala ka pang work.
What is the use?
Depression na yun.
Just to complete the dimensions, yung pinaka-important dito, that's why it's left at the end, yung spiritual dimension.
Yes.
Maraming tao
importante
ngayon,
yun.
walang spiritual life, walang
Yes.
spiritual growth. They lose the meaning of life. there is an incident in Singapore when Lee Kuan Yew was still alive. He was talking to the people, and he said, as I am older now, I'm worried for the Singaporean people that as I look them in the face, they don't seem to be happy. And he asked the questions, what will make you happy? And then a small child in the audience stood up and said, Jesus. That brought the house down. Can you imagine a country very developed like Singapore, and a small child will say, what makes him happy? It's because he loves Jesus. That demonstrates the spiritual dimension.
Importante yun.
Importante.
It
And
is.
that's what kept me going in my time of super depression. Yung wala na akong ramdam.
Yes.
You know, it's my spirituality was high at that time. I clung into it. I was a Bible teacher, and I read a lot about emotional strengthening
Yeah.
through yung mga napabasa natin sa spirituality. So parang naging kwan ko yun.
So
Sabay
the-
ko yun. Spiritual is very
So
important.
the question is, so why do you want to keep balance in your life so that you will be well? That's a very important question that was also addressed not only in the Philippines but all over the world. There is a group called Gallup International, and at the time when wellness became very popular, they asked the question, what makes people happy? No? What makes you happy?
What makes me happy? Love, food, friends, money.
You
Kasi
Rina,
hindi ko
what
naman
makes you
mabibili.
happy?
Well, money, my family, and definitely the Almighty.
Mm. They found out that there are 5 areas or dimensions that make people happy. So they surveyed more than 150 countries all over the world from A to Z.
So ano yun, Doc?
So the question is, what makes you happy? The first one that they found that was common was you have to be able to find a career in your life. And when you find that career,
Passion, ikigai.
yes, the purpose for life. But in more realistic terms, you have to find that career that makes you wake up in the morning. Reason why you wake up, dress up, and show up. If you don't have that career, sabi nila, your
have no reason
happiness
to wake
is not complete. The other one, of course, yung social, no? Sabi nila, you have to have at least 5 friends in your life to be happy. So yun. The third one is you should be able to manage your finances, which is what we have been talking
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
all this time, no? You have to earn more than what you spend so that you are not financially stressed. For example, when I take a cab, I know my money is only 100 pesos, but the fare is 200 pesos. It shatters my confidence because I don't have enough money to pay for my fare, for my Grab. And that is financial stress.
Pero alam mo, that's really the depression, I think, of the kababayan natin. Kaya nga tayo
Yeah.
nag-OFW, nahihiwalay sa mga anak natin, depressed ka na nga yun pag alis mo pa lang eh.
Yes.
Money,
Yes.
you know?
You have to be financially secure,
yeah.
to be happy, not to be happy.
Pero wag
And that's
naman
part
tayo
of
maging
hierarchy
alipin.
needs of Maslow.
Yes.
Yes.
Yung hierarchy, pag hindi kompleto yun, you'll
Yes.
never be happy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Walang self-fulfillment
Pero for
dun.
now, nagiging alipin na tayo ng salapi.
So exactly. But this has become a materialistic world. No?
Yes. Because
The
of
fourth one to be
material.
happy, according to the survey,
fourth.
was that you have to be physically well.
Oh.
So how can you enjoy all the things that you've worked for if you're not physically well, no?
Yeah.
But the good news is, unlike health, where if you're sick, the direction is towards death. When you're well, the direction is towards happiness.
And life.
Yes. So you have to be physically well. And ano ba yung last one? You have to be able to find something that you can do for your community that is beyond yourself, something that doesn't benefit you. And they say if you have all these 5 elements, you're bound to be happy. And that should be the objective of everyone. And when you build a well nation, you will end up with your well-being to be at its peak. So yun ang completion of the book that I wanted to
So the
propagate.
wellness yan.
That
Pero
makes me excited to see the book. Alam mo, MK, kasi parang doon mo malalaman na eto pala, pwede palang merong balance.
It has
Yes.
to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the
You-
book should come out when Doc.
I was thinking of putting it up in December so that everybody is ready for January.
Oh
When they have
yes.
to think of their New Year resolutions, they make plans for the last quarter. For seniors like us, we are on the fourth quarter of our lives, and we've got to make that very meaningful, no?
Ako,
And
magplano na
And then
tayo.
make
Let's buy a
sure,
book.
pag physically healthy, yung serotonin levels mo para hindi bumabagsak kasi nakaka-depress bumagsak ang serotonin, dopamine mo. Kaya dapat kumain tayo nun
yes,
ng
yes.
mga pagkain. Alam mo, pag melatonin yan naman yung lack of sleep, na-stress ka din pag yung wala kang tulog ilang araw na, di ba? Nakaka-depress din yan. Alam mo ba yung maganda pala yung mga nuts and also yung salmon?
Yes.
Salmon sa Tagalog.
Kasama,
Salmon.
yeah. Yeah.
Yun, meat. And then the turkey meat, nakakatulog.
Di ba, there was a
Nakatulong
book,
sa insomnia pala
Hindi ba
yan.
daw pwedeng tilapia lang?
that's my favorite. Sabi nila, you're what you eat, di ba? So,
Yeah.
kaya ang advice ng aking kaibigan na doktor, when food is in front of you, you have to ask yourself, is this for nutrition or is it for pleasure?
Oh, I think I have to ask that to myself most of the time kasi I eat for pleasure eh.
I see.
Oo.
Pero-
And I don't have discipline.
Pero ako, ang inisip ko, what is the consequence whenever I take something at the end? Will it make me happy, healthy, and wealthy?
Yang pagkain mo na
Ayan.
ngayon.
So you have to, si Stephen Covey is good at this. Start with the end in mind. No? So will it make you healthy for nutrition reasons? Or it's just a
Oh.
pleasure which will bring you all these problems?
Yan.
Oh,
So, ito yung mga
okay.
mayroon akong tinignan na table, summary table kasi konti lang yung minuto natin. Pag wala na yung serotonin mo, bumababa, yung mood mo at yung sleep at appetite mo na apektuhan.
Your number one is bananas.
I like it, diba?
I have a take on bananas. I don't want to take bananas because that's what brought the Philippine economy sagging. No?
Saging.
Oh.
Anyway, importante yon. Kaya yung mga vitamins, I still believe, kung kaya nyo kainin sa pagkain, yung B6, pwede. Pero may multivitamins ako lagi ng B12, B-complex. So, yung salmon, tuna, mackerel, maganda yan. Yung omega-rich na mga pagkain, nuts and seeds. Kaya pala, nung nadidepress ako, gusto ko ng almonds, walnuts, flaxseed. Kaya yun na lang lunch ko, pwede na.
Mahal ng salmon. Yung
Oo,
Norwegian
yeah.
salmon.
Sandali, yung yogurt. Ayan,
Ay.
kaya pala, minsan yung kung ano yung cravings mo, yung pala yung lack mo eh.
Ay, ganun ba yun?
Oo, when you naghahanap ka, guys, sa akin, naghanap ko ng boyfriend, Joe.
Cravings ko
Kaya nga
eh.
hindi na ako
Ay,
naghahanap,
wala yung
na-control ko na yan.
Ah.
Dark chocolate is good, ha? And 60% dapat minimum yung dark chocolate. Fruits high in B vitamins like pineapple, avocado, kiwi. Pero yung whole grains, kaya pala gustong-gusto ko rin ng oats. Nung super depressed ako, ang kaya ko lang kainin oats.
Oats.
Na
Talaga.
plain, na water lang.
Ang
Oh.
hanapin mo yung the big O.
Yeah. So, yung dopamine naman, yung motivation, yung wala ka sa focus, tapos yung wala ka ng pleasure sa bagay, yung rich in tyrosine. Yan. Proteins na walang taba, mga karne na walang taba, cheese. Wag yung fake cheese ha, kasi may nabibili tayong, yung, alam mo yung hindi naka-freezer, nakakuan. Marami palang man-made cheese. Wag yun, yung tunay na cheese. Yung may presyo lang kasi. Yung, di ba, mayroon mga Danish cheese, French cheese. Sabi niya, mahal kaunti. Beans and lentils, mura lang yan. Mongo beans, kaya palang hilig ko sa mongo beans and malunggay. Lentils, I love lentils. Pumunta ba naman ako sa Ruffles Kwan? Of all the nice food na offered to me, lentil soup, please.
Oh.
And then yung bananas is important pala. Kaya gustong-gusto ko ang banana.
The big one or the small one?
All sizes of banana and all
sizes may
colors.
fit.
All colors. Yung berries, yan, love ko rin ng berries. And apples, I eat
Oh.
2 apples a day. You know,
Mm.
di ba
Oh,
sabi, 1
really?
apple a day takes the
The doctor
doctors
away.
away.
If the doctor is cute, forget the fruit.
Leafy
Yeah,
vegetables, yan importante. Alam mo, hindi naman kailangan na mamahalin. Hindi na kailangan spinach, ang mahal ng spinach. Yung alam mo, nagtanim na ako ng kamote leaves.
Mm-mm.
Very good ang kamote leaves. ampalaya leaves.
Yeah.
Ano pa yung mga leaves na yan? Yung
All this you're talking about are
kangkong.
for the body, for the body.
Yeah. Para mag-produce ng dopamine or serotonin. Itaas nga natin yung leafy greens. Ano pa bang andyan, kuya? Ayan. Pag kulang tayong tulog kasi nakade-depress din yan, importante yung cherry juice pala, sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Kaya pala gustong-gusto ko rin yung sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Brown rice. Dapat wag ng white rice. Corn. Lalo na wag naman yung corn na GMO. Ano ba? Tapos warm milk. Kaya pala tama pala yun yung wina-warm. Tapos grapes. Kaya pala gustong-gusto ko ng mga
Oo,
grapes.
kaya pala medyo stress ako dahil yung mga nasa listahan
Hindi
ko,
mo kinakain.
Yeah, hindi ko kinakain kasi mahal.
Pero ngayon,
Super stressful, ha?
MK, ang focus mo is nutrition for the body.
Yeah.
It's also equally important that there should be nutrition for the mind.
True.
Mm.
So, yun na nga, yung emotional intelligence,
Yes,
how
lifelong.
to develop that.
Yes, lifelong learning is the nutrition for the
key.
mind. And yung spiritual,
Yung spiritual
kailangan
feeding
may
din.
nutrition din yan.
Yung spiritual
Yes.
feeding
And
natin.
nutrition for spiritual
Yeah.
is prayers.
Oh.
But be careful with what you pray for.
Yeah.
You might
Baka
get it.
Kasi yung refinement of your soul is through your spiritual learning. Yung mga kindness,
Pero
how to be
ano,
humble, how to be better.
Let us not also be an evangelical bully na dahil we have this faith, we're so much nourished with biblical verses and all, we will use them against people. We never know what they're going through.
What I preach on the spiritual side is that this is not religion. No? For as long as you believe in a being that is higher than you, that may have created you, you're okay.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, sa mga babae, yung estrogen at saka progesterone level na hindi balance, lalo na sa mga premenopausal, yan na, yung hindi ka na masaya.
Huwag na natin pag-usapan, malayo pa tayo dyan.
Hindi, kasi baka nadidepress sila, nakikinig sila. So may mga pagkain yan, yung soya, flax seeds, broccoli, cabbage, berries, sweet potatoes. Anong Tagalog ng sweet potatoes? Kamote.
Kamote.
And avocado. Kahit damihan nyo pag merong time ng avocado. And mga nuts. Lahat ng nuts, di ba? So, sinasabi ko lang yon kasi sabi niya, mga mayayaman lang, wala kaming pambili ng mga gamot. Ayan, minsan pag hindi tama yung kinakain natin.
Mas bakal yata yung prutas kaysa medicine.
Pero may equivalent yan na mura lang. Kaya masarap tumira sa probinsya.
Yes.
Kasi libre lahat yan. Pwede ka pang humingi, di ba?
Yeah.
So, ayun, yung drink water, physically, hydrate yourself, importante yan. Tapos yung tulog, yan pulang kami ni Rina. Naku, tulog ko kanina 5 hours lang.
Ang saya, no? At least 8 hours. From yesterday, 4 hours. Ngayon, 4 hours.
Epektuhan pala yung serotonin natin kaya minsan nadidepress ka. Melatonin, yung cortisol regulation. So, regular exercise. Wala ako niyan kaya ako ay nag-over 5 kilos na.
Si Doc, invite niya yung mga yung mga viewers natin to abangan the book.
Yes,
coming out.
I'd like to invite members of society, from individuals to companies to communities, to watch out for the book. It was written out of my desire to ensure that we have healthy people who are concerned about their lives, that they be wealthy and eventually happy.
Yes.
And ako, parting words ko dyan, pag gusto yung anak niyo ay may depression na kaunti, you really okay lang makipag-usap sa psychologist. Yung mga counselor. And pag merong problema yung mga anak niyo, kausapin niyo rin yung mga pangalan ng mga in charge diyan sa school.
Register.
Isa pa.
No.
Counselors. So, guidance counselors, kailangan kausapin nyo rin kung may issue kaunti yung anak nyo na nasad. And by the way, lahat ng mga teachers po at schools, bawal na po yung hihiyain nyo yung isang estudyante. At saka yung sasabihin nyo na, ito, 95, o yung mga hindi na. Alam nyo, hindi na uso. By the way, may bago ng educational system. Yung pamangking ko, hindi na nila sasabihin yung gradings. Hindi na yung your 95, A student, wala na. So, kasali na yung emotional intelligence. So binabalance na nila yung kung saan magaling yung bata.
Yung apo ko,
Wala nang yung sabihin, first honor, second honor, wala na dapat
yung apo ko,
ganun.
2 years old lang, binibigyan ng stamp.
Stamp.
Kahit na wala sa performance,
Stamp.
naghahanap siya ng stamp.
Funny.
Yeah. So, yan. Ibaba nyo nga kaunti kasi it's time na magkaroon tayo ng parenting workshops, family gratitude dinners, as we spoke earlier, and unplugged weekends. Anong ibig sabihin na hindi naka-plug na weekends? Free-flowing
Wala kang
weekends.
pahinga.
Advocate. Yung magiging advocate tayo sa policies na make it your advocacy. Gaya ni Conrad at ako at ni Dina. Mental health coverage, workplace wellness. Alam mo yung emotional intelligence, may modules ako dyan eh. Kasi when you're emotionally intelligent, may balance. Alam mo kung anong babalance mo. You are not what they say. And you are not what you wear. And you are not your career. Diba? So maging model tayo for wellness. Kung alam mo na normal yung buhay mo at maganda, and then kung hindi naman, seek help. Magpahinga, balanse ang buhay mo. Kung ano nakikita ng mga anak mo, yun din ang gagawin niya.
I just want to say once again, MK, I want to thank Rina and you and our station for giving me the opportunity to promote my wellness advocacy. So stay healthy, stay fit, and stay in love.
Wow. Well, let's cling on that one. Let's stay in love. And at the end of the day, folks, and to our viewers, let us take into mind that life is precious, and whatever and however we are living it, that is a choice. And we have to live the life that we want, the best life that we deserve. And no matter what, choose to live, be happy, and awareness of your mental health is very crucial. And again, we will see you next week. This is DJ Rina of Kumusta Ka Bagong Pilipinas.
And of course, the takeaway message for the day, mental health wellness is not a subject that we teach once only. It's a language we live every day. And when we teach children to feel, guide teens to cope, how to cope in life, and a model of emotional balance as adults. We raise a mentally stronger generation when we do that.
Well said.
Okay, this is not the end. And we will be talking more about how to balance life so that we will all be mentally well. Last words?
Thank you, MK. Thank you, Rina.
And thank you for sharing about that book. And I look forward to that book. Pag-uusapan natin next week yung financial coping. Kasi yan ang talagang depression.
Yes, sure.
Diba?
Yes.
Kaya nga tayo nag-OFW, diba?
Oh,
Nagsisifair, mapalayo sa mga pamilya para lang, anong sabi mo? Tayo ay alila ng salapi.
Alipin ng salapi.
Alipin ng salapi.
Yeah.
Pero let's not do that. Let's balance the life. This is your host, Marlene Crag. Kumusta ka ba, Pilipinas? Still next show. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube and Facebook.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you sa aming mga technical crew lagi sa Bagong Pilipinas. Andito ngayon sila tech director natin for the day, si Juan. Si Angelo
Duramdes.
Duramdes. Ang
Cameraman.
ating cameraman, mga masikisig na Jumer Esplana, AJ Bacona, and ang ating teleprompter director, Joseph Echano.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, everyone.